after this challenge, I hated the color blue for a while. I'm like, why does everything have to be so, blue? When it came time to sort of picking a partner, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna pick. Who wants to work with me? And Jordana was like, I want to work with you. So I love Jordana. It's not like she took a while to grow on me. I always knew I would like her, but because, I don't know, maybe she reminds me of my mom or something. It's like you love your parents, but they annoy you at the same time.
I was really worried because when I saw her designs, I was like, oh God, not another one.
I feel like Luz was totally set up by Nicholas. She was really working, every time I looked over, she was working hard on something and he was kind of doing things like turtle paste. And apparently, right towards the end, he was like, oh, I'm not finished with the dress. So I feel like he kind of set her up a little bit.
See all the Project Runway video extras at mylifetime.com.